Welcome! Let's learn a strategy for how to examine whether or not a source is fair, balanced, and factual, or if it's a little biased in one direction or another. Let's say you want to learn about sugar and its effects on health. You may type into your keyboard something like, "How bad is sugar for me?" The first thing that pops up is a website called sugarhealth.org. It looks like a really professional site that you could trust. It links to studies by experts that discuss how sugar can actually be really good for you. However, you also notice that the group in charge of the site is called Big Sugar, and they link out to a company called Candy Factory on their partners page. So, what should you do next? Is this a good unbiased source for your research? You may already be guessing that the site does have an agenda, but what do other sources say? Here is the strategy. Look for other sources about this topic. Keep searching about sugar's effect on health. You may find a fitness influencer video about sugar, an article from the National Institute of Health, and an article in a business magazine about the sugar industry. By lining these up side by side and quickly looking at many options, you can start to decide who to trust to answer your question and who may be trying to sell or persuade. This strategy is called lateral reading. It's a skill that you have to build, but it is the key to thinking like a fact checker and making sure your research is good and sound.